What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Bitcoin. I'm currently sitting at 27.4, down 2.3 on the day. See market cap 537 billion, 24 volume 15.95 billion. So coming back in our wave 2 pullback that we were looking for, I do think we'll come down to our target zone. Looks like we may already be starting, but it's a little bit early. A little ABC correction, come down in wave A, wave B. This could still push a little bit higher and then come down in wave C to that target zone for a wave 2, and that could offer another entry opportunity for BTC. We're already in a Bitcoin trade. We hit our first 2 take profits. We moved our stop loss to break even. So we have the 20 EMA creeping up on the 55. So once we see that bullish cross of the daily EMAs, that could also offer another entry opportunity. These kind of signals are given in the Discord for $10 a month, and yeah, once we print that bullish cross, that's a strong signal of continuation to the upside as well. Of course, we have to watch for potential head and shoulders, but as I mentioned, I don't think that's likely. Anything can happen, but just looking at the DXY, we are pushing up a little bit more to the 50% retracement, where we could potentially see a rejection. But if we're counting this is a wave A, which is a 5-wave move. So if you wanted to count this, we look at a wave 1, that's your wave 2 pullback, that's a wave 3, overextended wave 3, that's a wave 4, and then you would push up in a wave 5. I'm just going to make this smaller. So if we take a fib extension to measure the wave 5 from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4, you would target the 618, which lines up with the 61.8. Let me zoom out so that makes sense. Which lines up with the 61.8 from this previous high of 114. So that is definitely a possibility, because that's a wave 5 target is the 618, and it lines up with that resistance. So we could push all the way up, and that would allow Bitcoin to come down a little bit more before potentially seeing that large pullback for the DXY, which I do think is likely and will lead to a large Bitcoin breakout, in my opinion. All right, gang, so watch for that bullish cross. Could offer another entry opportunity. We're already in a trade. We hit our first 2 take profits on Ethereum. We're currently in Matic trades in Solana, and look for Bitcoin to pull back to this zone. Could offer another long opportunity. That's basically it for this update. My trade signals are $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. You can check out my full length tutorial pinned at the end of the video. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. If you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, you get $200 free to trade with. Completely free. My subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. Daily analysis for many coins. My exact trade setups. We're currently in 3 trades. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, Forex analysis, and Forex signals. All for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. All links are down below in the comment section. Do check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.